Okay, which one do you want to do
Oh,
next?
that's it. No more presents. All done.
Which one do you want to do next?
On the floor.
You are breaking the rules.
T-Rex. It's a T-Rex.
Wow.
For the birthday boy. It's your birthday. Celebrate. Blast those candles. Chomp some cake. Stomp your feet. Let out a roar. Party like a dinosaur. Happy birthday, Connor. Love Aunt G, Uncle Dan, Nicole, and John.
More paper. Everybody's giving you paper. Those stinky Red Sox. Yeah, yucky Red Sox.
Don't listen to Grant. He doesn't know what he's talking about.
So cute.
Aunt D, go find Aunt D.
That's John's favorite player, Danielle. That's why we had to do that.
Thank you.
Skippity skip skip skip.
All right.